Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AirPods to Windows 11 with low latency settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your AirPods to Windows 11 with low latency settings, start by ensuring your AirPods are charged and ready. Open the case to put your AirPods in pairing mode. On your Windows 11 PC, click on the Start menu. Select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings menu, choose Devices. From the left sidebar, click on Add Bluetooth or other device at the top. In the pop-up window, select Bluetooth as the type of device to add. Your PC will start searching for available devices. Once your AirPods appear in the list, select them. Click on Connect to pair your AirPods with Windows 11. After a moment, you will see a confirmation that your AirPods are connected. To set low latency settings, right-click on the sound icon in the taskbar. Select Sound Settings from the context menu. In the Sound Settings, find your AirPods under the Output section. Click on your AirPods to highlight them. Next, click on the Properties link below the Output device list. In the new window, go to the Advanced tab. Here, look for the Default Format drop-down menu. Select a lower bitrate option for low latency, such as 16-bit, 44,100 Hz. Click Apply to save your changes. Now, close all the settings windows. Your AirPods are now connected to Windows 11 with low latency settings enabled. Enjoy your audio experience with minimal delay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.